In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add quote text in Gmail. We'll walk through this simple process step by step so you can make your email stand out by highlighting important quotations from your content. You don't need any special skills or additional software, just follow along and you'll have it down in no time. Let's start with opening your Gmail account. Once you're in your inbox, look towards the upper left corner where you'll find the Compose button. Go ahead and click on that. This action will open a new window where you can draft your email. It's that simple. Now that we've got the email draft open, you can start typing the quote you wish to format. This could be any piece of text, perhaps an inspiring quote or an important piece of information that you want to bring attention to. Feel free to write exactly what you need, taking note of the exact wording as this will ensure clarity and effectiveness in your communication. Once you've got your quote typed out, it's time to highlight it. To do this, simply click and drag over the text you want to format. By highlighting this section, we're telling Gmail that this part of the text needs a special kind of focus. Remember, getting the right part highlighted is essential, so take your time with this step. Next, we're going to look at the bottom panel of the Email Compose window, where you'll find a row of icons representing different formatting options. This is where the magic happens. Find and click on the formatting options icon. It looks like an underlined A or a small T with a downward arrow next to it. Clicking this will expand a series of options for adjusting your text. Now, we're getting to the specific commands for quoting text. Within the expanded list of toolbar options, there's a small drop-down icon, usually represented as an arrow next to further commands. Click on this drop-down to unveil a broader set of text editing features. From the list that appears, we're looking for the quote icon. This is often represented by a speech mark or inverted commas. Click on this icon and you'll notice your highlighted text now has a distinctive quote style to it. This not only visually separates your text, but also draws the reader's attention right where you want it. And there you have it. You've successfully added a quote in Gmail. This new skill can be particularly useful for presentations or reiterating important points, helping your emails look professional and easy to digest. Practice it a couple of times and it will quickly become second nature. Thanks for tuning in and happy emailing.